Malaysia is a developing country. As the country grows, the number of people moving into the city increases, making the volume of solid waste generated also increases. So, we will go to the question, what is solid waste? Solid waste is defined as the useless and unwanted products in the solid state that are discarded by the society. It includes food waste, construction debris, household appliances, discarded furniture, scrap metal, and so on. In Malaysia, a person is estimated to generate 1 kilogram of waste per day, but the weight is increasing from 1.1 to 2 kilogram per person per day. As the number of COVID-19 has been increasing, with thousands of new cases being reported every day, disposable masks, gloves, cups, and cutlery are being consumed at a record rate as part of safety measures to contain the spread of COVID-19. In result, clinical waste has dramatically increased, especially in plastic form. As we already know, the fact is that all of this plastic waste can take up to 1,000 years to decompose.
According to Head of Finance, Funding and External Relations of Zero Waste, Jasril Lim, the clinical waste in Malaysia has doubled than the amount before the pandemic hits, from 2,000 tons per month to 4,000 tons per month. The amount counted does not even include the disposable masks we use on a daily basis. Malaysia already has many effective clinical waste management even before the pandemic hit. This includes Malaysia's first non-incinerated clinical waste treatment center, CWTC. This center is equipped with a cutting-edge technology in medical waste disposal called microwave eco-stirring. This facility is eco-friendly as it only uses minimal energy whilst providing an environmentally safe solution to biomedical and clinical waste management. Other countries have new innovations in clinical waste management that Malaysia should consider using in the future. For instance, in France, a small startup company named Blacksteel are recycling disposable masks, turning potentially hazardous waste into useful products. For the time being, Blacksteel is turning them into products that can be used to fight COVID-19. The next innovation is from India. Indian researchers have found a way to turn used PPEs into biofuel using a high-temperature chemical process called pyrolysis. The liquid fuel produced from the PPEs are clean and has fuel properties similar to fossil fuels.
Due to the increases of cases for COVID-19, the amount of clinical waste also increases. The pandemic has resulted in a 27% rise in clinical waste creation in Malaysia, with disposal of face masks, disposal gloves, and personal protective equipment accounting for the majority of the increase in hospital waste. Increasing in vaccination rate also affect the increases of clinical waste. This is because vaccination will use needle per person. Also, test kit and other equipment that needed throughout the process. All of the waste produced are categorized as clinical waste. Hence, more waste is produced. Due to overly excess of clinical waste from uses of preventing COVID-19, the waste is not properly be treated.
In conclusion, due to the high infection rate of COVID-19 virus, the volume of clinical waste is rapidly increasing. During the pandemic, the health organization have issued clear guidelines for managing clinical waste. Different countries have taken different approach to properly managing clinical waste. Effective safety measures and working strategies may make it possible to properly manage clinical waste without spreading the virus to others. Okay, that's all from us.